In this bulletin, more companies sued by Canon for patent infringement, this time in the UK. Aftermarket chip manufacturers respond to HP's $30 million suit against Datel. And Xerox goes to auction to sell off patents worth millions. Hello, I'm David Gibbons and here is the news. In breaking news, we learn that Canon has sued two companies, this time in the UK, for allegedly infringing the dongle gear patents. European Cartridge Warehouse Limited and Printer Supplies Technology Limited are jointly owned and operated by the same person. Canon is suing them in the High Court of England and Wales. This brings the total number of companies around the globe to 40 that have now to settle with Canon, which is seeking injunctions and damages. And you can read Steve Whedon's behind the news views on the Canon suits in this month's Recycling Times magazine. That's the one with North America's Ian Elliott facing up with other industry leaders on the front cover. Two of the largest manufacturers of smart chips for printer cartridges have responded to the $30 million lawsuit HP has taken out against another chip manufacturer, Datel. HP, the largest manufacturer of printers and consumables in the world, has taken Datel to court alleging they stole and resold secret HP chip master codes. US-based Static Control claims it only makes smart chips for use in remanufactured cartridges. Static says it holds its own patents on chips designed and manufactured on its own premises. China-based Apex Microelectronics have distanced themselves from Datel, saying it has never had any dealings with the company. And like Static Control, Apex has developed its own smart chip technologies in-house legally. Both aftermarket chip manufacturers have advised remanufacturers they need to check that their microchip suppliers respect the intellectual property of the OEMs and do not illegally copy the codes off the OEM chips. Xerox, the company that invented the photocopier and the laser printer, is going to auction off hundreds of its patents for millions of dollars. The company has more than 12,000 active patents in the US, which include imaging systems. According to the Wall Street Press, this is the first time Xerox has used an auctioneer, having previously sold its patents individually. Intellectual property consulting firm Robinwood Consulting has gone public, saying the plan to auction off 239 patents is suspect. It thinks Xerox has lost the people who helped get the patents, or the patents themselves are not worth much. But according to ICAP, the patent brokers running the auction, each lot being sold could fetch up to $10 million US. And in brief, Indian toner manufacturer Nand is very serious about finding new customers in Europe. Not only have they set up a warehouse, distribution channels and technical services, but they have just achieved the Nordic White Swan environmental credentials on their entire range of colour toners. Most users of smartphones and tablets wish to print from those devices, but many are not. So imaging research group InfoTrends has launched a new study to research the attitudes, needs and desires of mobile device users wanting to print. The Chinese government has approved an asset exchange between two companies in Zhuhai. Printer manufacturer Sinar now holds a 66% majority stake of OneLeader, a high-tech electrical power automation enterprise. Epson expects a 20% increase in revenue growth for the 2014 financial year based on the company's performance across all business segments in Malaysia. Organisers have announced the dates for the next Indian Recharger Expo for 2015 in Mumbai. The Indian Recharger Expo is the largest event for remanufacturers in India, with many visitors hungry for hands-on technical support.
We're coming back again to Mumbai for the 2015 show, Indian Recharger Expo at Bombay Exhibition Centre.
Well, those were the top stories this week. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. I'm David Gibbons.